What's up guys, it's Jacko and Ali.
Today we're going back to the warehouse at night, obviously. We just went to Kmart and got torches and stuff, and yeah, this is gonna be like our scariest video yet, so.
It will. Okay
yeah.
guys, we'll start recording in once we're going in. See you guys then.
Bye!
Okay guys, so we're at the warehouse.
We're here.
Don't be careful, there's a car, it might turn in.
We can't, you probably are just seeing, like point it up there, because
You
you're probably
can't.
just seeing, like, from the other buildings.
Okay, be quiet, can you like, quiet.
So wait, point it at this one. Okay, this is a massive abandoned building there. Now that place is getting turned into, what was it, like a
cafe.
Yeah.
If someone turns in, I'm gonna do something. We could go. Oh fuck! Is it? What do we do? Yeah, I might have an idea. Hold this. Guys, I'm gonna stop recording now, and we're gonna go around to the other entrance, and I'll start recording when we're back.
Me, I'll get in. Okay, get in, get in. He's getting in. His ass is a bit too fat. Okay, guys, there's a person right over there. I don't know if you can see that. It's really shit zooming in and shit like that.
Sorry for recording. Yeah, we'll go back. We'll start recording when we get the other.
Yeah,
entrance.
we're gonna go to our normal entrance.
Okay, see you now.
We have to run in. There's no cars at all. So we're gonna go in. Oi, turn your flashlights off when we're going in. Now it looks like there's lights in there, but there's not. We're walking through this patch now. Okay, there was just a car there as well, and it was driving really slow. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, we are out. I nearly fell. I fell, basically. Not. Wait, go to the corner over here. Follow me. Wait. That's not a tent. It looks like there's a tent in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, if you're a GTA fan, this is where the top bit used to be. And this,
Don't shine the light in my face.
it's all gone now. First video, flashback, 3, 2, 1 now. The building, the bits over there getting taken out. Oh yeah, like this way. Guys, this place is. Oi, there was just a car that went out. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. Wait, hiding here. There was just a car that went out. I'm not kidding. It was the same red car. It was just this. This is scary.
Oh, probably was a machine, but I just heard.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. This is outside the place. There's that little top bit that we went on.
This bit's shut off.
Which bit?
Let's go.
It is. We need to
See everything.
Okay, so this is all like materials for the place getting like rebuilt. I just stepped on something. I just realised something as well. There's a motorbike. It's fine. Okay, it's all good. that building there is gone as well, guys. Everything is gone. That door's open now. It was not like that before. It's open.
I just want to explore the rest of it.
Yeah, it's definitely been. This is fully getting, like, this is not, if you count, like, this is not even counted as
Oh,
abandoned
we have to go over there now.
because it's not really. That's a machine there.
Let's go this way. Just a little circle.
This is all where that bit used to be. We can get through here. What?
Don't shine your torch outside.
Okay, yeah, good idea. Wait, we have to check alarms. Fuck, what was that?
Oh, there's no alarms.
We'll shine at this thing. That's right. There's a toilet there. There's that cool graffiti. At the moment.
I hear voices.
I hear laughs.
This way. We're leaving.
Guys, there's like laughing. There's like laughing. What the fuck? Oi. That's just swinging. Oh, the wind. The wind. I forgot that this place. Wait, let me just show it here real quick. This is the platform where it used to be, everything. Over there. Guys.
One more little quick 360 of this place.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Flashback to our first ever 360 of this place because Jackson always used to do the 360s. I'm going to give you a 360 of this place. Tell me if you see anyone or thing anywhere we missed. Except for that person. This will be the last 360 you ever see in this place.
Yeah, our last video in this place.
This will probably be the last known footage ever of this place. Actually,
I mean, we could go back tomorrow.
who is that? Yep. Guys.
I'm just like,
Okay, that was pretty scary going in, but once we got in, my most fear is always that little bit there. But since that bit is gone, it makes it a lot less scary.
hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Please like and subscribe. This is the scariest videos we've ever done.
Yeah,
and
please
yeah,
like.
please like and subscribe because it only takes like 2 seconds to do it. And pretty sure like 87% of you guys aren't subscribed, which I'm very surprised about.
Okay,
So,
Ali, let's get out of this place.
yeah,
See you guys
let's
next
get
time.
out.